Hey guys, I'm still at the salon and just waiting for this bleach, I believe. Let me just look at my lashes. Oh my goodness. So I'm getting my hair done. I'm so excited, and we might do 2 sessions, not just in one day, since my hair is really black and thick. She said it's gonna be like for 3 weeks, I think.
Oh, okay.
Oh wow. That's the first time that I see my hair that light.
Yeah.
Like I never bleach my hair.
Yeah.
Ever. Wow.
And it's still super healthy. Just still use that Olaplex. Do you have purple shampoo?
No.
Okay, that would be something that you could get.
Okay.
This purple, and you only need to use that like once a week because it's pretty potent, but it'll help kind of neutralize the yellow.
So it's, oh, okay.
Yeah, I'll show you. I gave you a little sample. I'll have to give you the bag later.
Okay.
But yeah, use it once a week. It'll kind of neutralize the yellow until you get back in here to get lifted again.
Okay.
To go lighter, but
yeah, definitely. Do you have it? Do you guys sell it right here? Okay, good.
Yeah, I'll show it. Can you kind of?
Oh, there you go.
It pulls really warm on that,
Okay.
but it's still really warm because I could tell she put the black box dye right here. Because underneath, you have
there's nothing.
Yeah, underneath you lifted so well,
There's
but
nothing
up here you have that black box dye.
She focused in that part.
And that's fine, like, but we're gonna still, to get you to your goal, we're gonna have to do 1 or 2. And I figured so, because you do have such dark hair. But that black box dye did kill you, because down here you got super light.
Yeah.
But I don't know if you can see that one, but you got really light on some of these pieces. You just takes time. Your hair's still super healthy right now, so that's the most important thing. Everyone can be in at the same time.
It's a big salon though.
Yeah, it is.
It looks cute already.
That is really pretty.
What?
You love it?
I love it already.
It looks super good.
And the cut is perfect. Like, I needed a trim. Hi guys, so I got my hair done and oh my goodness, so it's still not done yet. Like it's I already scheduled another appointment on August 29th, so in order for her to achieve, or you know, the color that I really want. But for now it actually looks so cute already. But I'm just gonna save this video, and hopefully by the after my second appointment, like I can share the like results. But oh my goodness, I'm already loving it. And thank you so much, Lexi. Oh, you're really nice and you did this really amazing. And she also, I let her trim some of my hair because I do have some split ends. So yes, I'm so happy. I got a new hair color, and I'm gonna like book her again soon because I want to do I'm planning to probably get my hair like into like blonder. So yeah, my hair has been crazy amazing. It's so freaking cute. Also, if you're from around Southern Maryland, I'm gonna put her information on my description box if you guys are, if I even have followers in Southern Maryland. But yeah, I'm also gonna share some in my Instagram, and also just put her information if you guys are interested in her. She's really nice and gentle. So yeah, I'm excited. That is so nice. You guys, I'm finally done with my hair. Oh my goodness. I love my hair so much. Like, who is she? So thank you so much, Lexi, for doing my hair. You're really good, and I'm gonna come back to her. Maybe we're planning 3 months from now because I'm gonna do probably ash blonde next time. But this hair color is so nice. So it's been a while because it took 2 sessions for me to get this lighter, and I love it. I freaking love it. So I'm gonna try to edit this video because it's been such a long time. We started August 1st and then now it's August 29th. So it took 2 sessions for me to get this lighter because I did have a box color before. I told her that like a year ago, and yeah, so this is my final hair. And if you guys are around Southern Maryland, make sure to check her out. I will leave her Instagram information and also the salon information, or if you guys are interested, you can message me on Instagram. And if you guys are wondering the price, I can just privately message you. So thank you for getting me coffee. You are the best. So anyway guys, that is all for this hair transformation vlog, and I'm also gonna insert some pictures, the photo that she took at the back, so you guys can see like the back what it looked like. But yeah, I love this hair. I don't know, I'm just obsessing about my hair right now. It's so nice. Oh my god. All right, so I'm done. All right, okay, I will see you guys soon on my next video. Bye.